Batawi Agro Brigade.
Who are we?
Batawi Agro Brigade.
Batawi Agro Brigade.
Here we are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being so consistent. I know you saw the Patawi Waterfall video, and I am still at Patawi Waterfalls. I am showing you nightlife here at Patawi Waterfalls. They have all these creative things here at Patawi Waterfalls. I am just really excited to be here. The air, the atmosphere, the people, they're really nice. I am enjoying this space. Hey guys, so I am leaving this house right now. I am going to find Mrs. Richardson. I just want to know, you know, how this whole idea about making Patawi a camp, like people sleeping here, how did it come about, right? What happened? What made it possible? So let us go find out. So how did the idea, like sleeping here, how did it all come about?
Batawi?
Yes.
About 2.5, 3 years ago, I was at Cottington. I was feeding the students at Cottington. And I had been to Batawi before. I lived in Bond County during the war. My children were in school at Cottington, so we came here. But I came here about, say, 3.5 years ago and had a birthday party here at Batawi. Just down there by the big tree. Brought some friends, we had a good time. And then I went back and I started thinking about ideas about how I could develop, or how somebody could develop this place and make it into what is becoming today. So I talked to my family, but they were not interested. They said, no. Anyway, my first night I slept here. I slept all the way down by the fall. I slept here with a guy called Steph, what is his name? They call him the Butterfly Man. He, 3 Ghanaians, 2 were the bird watcher and 1 was somebody I knew. My granddaughter and another librarian, myself, slept here for 3 nights. Down, no light, and we only had flashlight. It was raining in small tents. And we made it because I wanted to experience the night and I wanted to know, you know, how comfortable it was. Well, we slept, it was a little bit rough, but we made it. After about 2 months, we came back here. And that was the Christmas season. We came and I decided I would start a kitchen. I came, put up a kitchen. We cook. I had some tussle with some people who took my phone and say I didn't have no business being here. You know, after a while, they gave me my phone back. It was rough. But then I decided I'm not going back. I was sleeping here. We're staying here, and that's how all of this started. Since then, there has always been somebody sleeping here. This is where we are. Okay? We started building these huts, as you can see tonight. So at the moment, we have 7 almost finished. We got 6 finished by the 15th of this month, I should have 11 finished. So this is Patawi.
I am trying my best to have lights here, so I'm just putting this like right in my eyes. I don't know, is it too bright or not? I'm trying to look ahead so I don't fall, you know. But I'm going to bed now. It is I think 10 going to 11. In Monrovia I'm usually asleep what time? 9, 10, like latest 12 and stuff like that. So I am going to sleep now. Morning guys, I'm still at Patawi. I just got up, freshen up everything. And I'm going to get tea at the moment. So let's go. Man, the people here at Patawi are doing amazing job. They're adding some huts to the 7 huts they have already, and they are farming here at Patawi. Can you believe that? They're planting corn and bitter balls, greens, fever leaves. Wow, this is amazing. This is what Liberians mean when they say we should go back to the soil. So Patawi is trying to grow what they eat. They're trying to eat what they grow. I think that is really amazing and commendable. Like, look at how fresh this bitter balls look, right? This is very welcoming, y'all. A big shout out to Patawi. Okay everyone, so every good thing must come to an end, right? Even though I don't want it to. But after my stay at Patawi, I'm leaving. I have to meet my friends so we can tour Banga City. So I am here to tell you it's bye-bye for me. Mrs. Richardson was a really good host. I enjoyed myself. I had a good view of Patawi, and I am really looking forward to this video being published. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you all for being so consistent. I am excited, and I hope you are as well, especially the fact that they're really opening Patawi up mainly in December for that festival that I'm going to leave the flyer in a community tab. So thank you all so much. Bye bye, love you.